diplomatic approach to conflict by constructing agreements, practices, and how people effectively cooperate despite their differences. Conflict management is the positive and constructive handling of difference. Dili necessary ang atong isang sulparon, pero atong pangitahan ng paagi nga ma-mitigate, ma-minimize ang effects of conflict so that you can continue working, meeting your target, at least maintaining or ang relationship niyo ma-preserve. Because you have this defense. The goal is to detect and minimize the negative effects of conflict rather than eliminate it completely. And offering strategies to mitigate conflict's negative effects is applied to workplace conflicts with the possibility of resolution as little to no likelihood. So in conflict management does not need to spend as much time figuring out how to use it in a problema. Especially I think this is very
Agahapon sa Itagana. Ito nakita mi atong Lunes.
I don't know if they have
Agahapon
passed.
dahil sa Itagana.
Sa nangapas ang tagabalo. Bisa kung sa tinanong o manumanon sila na-argumenta kung ang conflict. To the point na bisan kung sa interview na mo, decide na mag-resign ng isa. And the other one follow. So, it's very costly in the part of the management, especially if you're building important positions in the organization. Conflict management, again, does not attempt to resolve conflicts, as I have said, but simply needs tools and techniques to mitigate conflicts destructive potential. Nagpadalang sulat, gareklamo to the point nga mga naan ito yung nagdinunggabay. Kabalo siguro mana. May nasapan ng tangot, nakaiwang pa sa sakit. Nanay na suko kay i-reassign. Dagang rason, ang away, inagaling sweldo, wala pa rin nila overtime, inidaksyonan without authority. Dagan ang mga rason. So, examples. Conflicts based on the difference of values, opinions between co-workers and associates. Conflicts involving difficult clients, external na itong mga stakeholders, customers or constituents, and conflicts based on communication or personality style differences between officials and co-workers. Basta na yung differences na walay pagsinap na na there is need to manage this because this already could be considered as conflict. Okay. Strategies. Next slide please. Open communication. Encouraging open dialogue to understand different perspectives. If you are the HR manager, you have to have this skill. Active listening. Something active listening. Ensuring that all parties feel heard and understood. Something listening. Kanina naminaw, nakano mo? Pero na po sa pinagkasalagan. Is that active listening? No. Active listening, that is the requirement for mentors, for coaches, for managers. Hindi lang itong selective listening, napagawa ignoring, pretend listening, but what is required is active listening. Because when we listen effectively, we really pay attention and think about what we hear, what we understand, and what we remember. We get the message wanted to be relayed by that person. So, according to Brooks' listening model, the process of listening passes through several stages. And recognizing stage, you structure incoming sounds, or sa nagtikap. Kato kay hagop ho, kusok. Buto sa mas. Or narataw lang mga gwapo kayo yung kumusta? No? Selective listening. The higher level is attentive listening. No? Concentrating and focusing energy in the words. But what is required here is active listening. Concentrating, listening, concentrating. No? On what has been said, including the non-verbal use. And the higher level is empathic listening. No? Listening with the intent to understand and getting inside the person's frame of reference. So, for you to understand the side of the person, if you are the conflict manager, you have to listen also for what is not being said. What do I mean with that? 7%. Nagyaw-yaw ko nun 7% na na. No? Ang inyong absorption is as to the meaning that I wanted to relate. 38% through the tone of voice and 55% through body language. That is the miracle rule. 7, 38, 55, 10. In short, understanding non-verbal communication and reading body language are also crucial in conversations and negotiations. Gusto po, mag-negotiate ka. Can you state your side? Morning. Wala ka naminaw. Tsaka nito, balik ka nun. Ikaw ko nung may ayun na lang, hindi na magkaklaro. Kaya nakalimot na ko. No? So, sa iya, nag-propose man mo na ito managawatan na na. Will the other party be happy? No. You are there to mediate, to facilitate settlement between the parties and not to rule. No? Mana, if mabungkas pa nga naana kayo i-manage the conflict or resolve the conflict, you must possess these skills. You must observe these requirements or strategies. And you would use the CSC crew model, namin crew model, ang ipakita sa inyo karon, to help manage and solve conflicts. It's a crew model. We use this in our coaching sessions. The crew model, next slide please.